Hey everyone, in recent videos we've discussed what an emergency fund is and where do you store it. If you're still uncertain about where to start, let's discuss a step-by-step process that will help you build your emergency fund. Welcome back to the Economic Eagle channel. Today we're going to have a 5-step process on how to build your emergency fund for the first time. Step number 1, we're going to determine what your goal or emergency fund amount should be. Your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. To figure this out, you need to calculate your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and other essential items. Then you multiply that number by the months you want to cover. For example, if your monthly expenses are $2,000, aim for an emergency fund between $6,000 and $12,000. Remember, this amount will vary for everyone based on your lifestyle and your responsibilities. So take some time to figure out what makes sense for you. Step number 2, we're going to open a separate savings account. We want to keep emergency funds separate from your regular checking account. We do this to avoid the temptation of using your emergency account for non-emergencies. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for a high yield savings account to help your money grow over time while it's sitting in there as your emergency fund. Opening a savings account is easy and can be done online within a few minutes. Make sure the account is easily accessible in case you need to get to these funds quickly. Step number 3, we're going to set monthly savings goals. We want to decide how much you can realistically save each month. Even if it's just $50 or $100, consistency is key. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. You can even have your employer automatically put money into a separate account. Automate your savings helps you stay disciplined. Step number 4, we're going to cut out unnecessary expenses. We want to review our monthly spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Do you really need that daily latte or those multiple streaming subscriptions? Redirect that money into your emergency fund. Remember, small changes can add up over time and significantly boost your savings. Step number 5, save windfalls and bonuses. Anytime you receive unexpected money, such as tax refunds, bonuses, or gifts, put that portion of money directly into your emergency fund. This can help you reach your goal faster. Remember, building an emergency fund is all about making smart financial decisions and prioritizing your financial security. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to help create an emergency fund. Remember, the key is to start now and stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.